Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete an article in Instapaper. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just find an article that you want to delete from here, and after that you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the three dots there. Now you can just press on delete and you will be able to delete this article. And as you can see, you can just press on delete once more and the article is going to be deleted. Now in my case, I'm not going to delete this specific article, but you can do it with the article that you want. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.